Welcome to Expleo. Let's shape the future together. We are in Hall 2B, location E122. Innovation is at the core of our business, and this year, again, we have much to show. AI and automation for faster and smarter decisions. Sustainability, eco-design and engineering for sustainable aerospace. Defense, ready mission technology built for agility and resilience. And space, data and smart tools for real-time decisions in orbits. Much to see, much to discover. We also have thought-provoking conference on 3 topics shaping the future: integrating AI, operational sustainability, and harnessing data in space. And we are here with our expert affiliates, all leaders in advanced engineering and systems, so-called Aerotech and Concepts, Silver Athena, and Sterling Dynamics. So whether you're here to discover, to partner, or just to be inspired, welcome at Expleo. Come and visit us. Let's shape the future together.